Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you guys are fine. So today I'm gonna make spicy guava mojito, which is my absolute favorite drink because I love spicy food. So let's get started.
First I'll make the spice mix which I'll gonna use for garnishing. In a plate take 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Mix them well. Then take a glass and dip it into the lemon juice and then into the spice mix I mentioned before. Now for the mojito, in a glass take 10 mint leaves, 4 to 5 lemon wedges, half green chilli, 1 small cube of ginger, 1 teaspoon of sugar powder. And then muddle it properly. Then in a shaker, add the mint mixture, some ice cubes and a glass of guava juice. I take the ready-made pink guava juice from Real. Shake it nicely. Add some ice cubes to the previous glass. Pour the flavored wala juice. Some lemon slices. Top it up with soda. Now your spicy guava mojito is ready. If you like my channel, then click on the bell button and subscribe Spoon of Calcutta.